Hello, welcome everyone. My name is Afolabiolu Ashim. I'm a graphic designer. I want to design a few e-flyers about donuts design. So what do I do? First, let me open the applications to be used for my design. So I'm trying to open the application right now. As you can see, installation, creating up your application environment. Before we go that, so this application is open right now. So what's next thing we are going to do? The next thing we are going to do, I want to pick a new document. So how do I get to pick a new document? Click on the file. So click on the file, click on the new. So it will give you a new document. Number one, set name your document so that you can be able to see where you save it when you save it. So my document name is donuts. So donuts design donuts design. So the custom is a custom with the size. So I want to use an inches. So the height and the width. So my width will be 14 inches, while my height will be 16 inches. So my page is number one. I use RGB colors and my resolution at 300. So the next thing I'm going to do to click OK. So this is the interface of my design. So the next thing I'm going to do to check my document, the materials that I want to use. So let's go to the materials I want to use. Materials to use. This is the donuts design that are being converted to PNG. So how do I bring it to my CorelDRAW file? So left click on it, go to the copies and copy it. So go to your CorelDRAW design. So press on left click on again and press paste. So your donut design will be there. You can drag it by the left click on your button, on your tab button, and increase it, drag it a little bit or reduce it. So if I drag a little bit so you can see it now. The next thing I'm going to do, I want to give this power box a little bit design. So what do I do to give this box a design? So you go to the square box button, rectangular square box button, double click on it. So it will give you interface outline. So the next thing I'm going to do right now to give this inside box a color. So how do I pick a color? So I don't want to pick a color from the color code here. I want to pick a color from design of donuts. How do I do that? Click on the color eyes drop tools. So I click on it. So go to your donuts and see, as you can see, you see different color out of my donut. So I will look for the suitable color that will fit my design or bring the beauty of my design out. So I see one color here, so put it there. That's the pink colors or whatever you call it. So my outlines, I want to remove my outline. So go to this one, click on the none. So you can see the outline is removed there right now. The next thing I'm going to do to drag my donuts at the middle centers of my design. So as you can see, my donut is here, so it's looking beautiful, as you can see. So drag it a little bit at the center. So the next thing I'm going to do right now to put a text in order to it, click on a text tools. When you click on the text tool, click on the outside box of your design and click on outside box of your design. So the cap letter, if you want to see the cap letter, you can tap it on your keyboard. So sweet, so you can reduce this letter by press on the cap and reduce it, sweet, or press shift to bold to put it on cash. Sweet donuts. So that's my main topic, sweet donut. So I put it in the middle by dragging it. Hold your right, can hold your right button shift. So next thing I'm going to do, I want to give this a front, a beautiful front. I don't want to use normal front. So how do I do that? So I find one, daily grinding demos. So I give it this one for my design. So you can bold it a little bit like this, bold it a little bit so that it can look beautiful. So as a graphic design, so drag this one little bit and enlarge it little bit, so you can also support this work as well. So let what I do the next to give this one another color. So I click on the text, go to the color text box, you see different color there, so you can put any color there. As you can see, the color is showing there, but I don't like these colors. I want to put it on the white color so that it can be fit with my design. So thank you. So the next thing is to input, because of our time, so let's input the other text there. Taste our famous, deliciously, so you drag it at the center here, taste our famous deliciously. So as you can see, I drag it to a center here, so put it on a color, so I use white color as well. So another text I'm going to input is that special packaging. So drag it to the center here, drag a little bit center packaging. In order to make it to stand out more than the design, I want to bold it a little bit. You click on the text, go to the B here and click on it, and if it is not okay, you click on the text box, make sure the arrow is click on this one and click on the bold. You can see it's bold a little bit, give it a color as well. So the next thing I'm going to do to put another text there, for more booking, for more, or let's put it in this way, you can order online or call, contact us. You can order online or contact us. So put it here as well. Wait on the creative shape tools, click here, so you can contact us online. So you need to put your phone number there. So how do I get the phone number? You click on the shift and press the plus button, plus 2348065019252. So that's the phone numbers of the company. So you bold it a little bit, drag it to a center here, that's the phone number. So click on it and give it a color as well. So the next thing I'm going to do, the last test we are going to do, is that the items they use for making a donut, so you can name it, let me name it varieties of donuts, varieties of donuts. We have flour. What eggs again? You can put milk, sugar, egg, etc, and lots more. So you can put your everything that you use to make the donuts be more visible and be more enlightening one. So what I have to do is to give this one also a color. So I'll give it a color. So the next thing I'm going to do right now, to give this text a little more shadow, click on the shadow toolbox, drag your shadow a little bit, hold your right shift and drag the shadow button as well. So if you can see, the text is come out very well. So you can see, so I want you to see the design very well. So if you look at this design, if you want to bold it a little bit, click on the bold. So as you can see, our design is very look beautiful and very well designed. So thank you for joining my training section. For you to see another notification, kindly subscribe and click on the like button. So thank you very much, I really appreciate. So thank you. If you have anything to say, you can drop your messages on the comment section. Thank you.